Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Milow robot puppy. Now, as you can see from the images themselves, these are very clearly edited and they didn't even try with this one. It's very poorly cut out, like this one is a real puppy, and this one also, and they claim that it is a robot puppy and it's very realistic. And as you can see down here in the reviews, it is rated 2.4 out of 5 stars. So right here, the 5 stars here are the fake ones, and as you can see, there are also a lot of 1-star reviews, 57% to be exact. And then very disappointed, nothing like the product, I was bamboozled, beware, don't buy. And also right here on Milow Robotics on Trustpilot is also rated badly, which is 1.1 out of 5 stars. This company is not real, puppers do nothing, they will do and don't even come with the parts, tried emailing them. So basically this product is a scam, so please do not buy this. It is completely a scam, just from the pictures themselves. They're not even trying. And yeah, that is basically it. So please do not buy it. It's a waste of money. It's $16. Do not buy it. That is it. That is my review on the Milow robot puppy. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.